What if I told you that you could make $5,000 a month without ever having to work for it? No 9 to 5, no boss, no stress. Just pure passive income flowing in every single month, whether you work, sleep, or travel the world. This is not a fantasy, it's a real strategy that millions of people are using right now. And I will show you exactly how you can do it too, even if you are starting from scratch. Let's dive in. So, the myth of passive income. Most people think passive income is a scam or just a dream, but that's because they don't understand how money works. The rich don't trade their time for money, they own assets that generate income for them. If you want to be financially free, you need a machine that makes money while you sleep. And the best part, anybody can build this. First, let's clear up the biggest myth. Passive income is not some get rich quick scheme. It's not about doing nothing and magically making money. It's about setting up smart income streams that keeps paying you over and over again. Example, dividends from ETFs. You invest once and they pay you every quarter. Selling an ebook, you just write it once and people buy it for years to come. You're gonna make YouTube videos. Just one viral video can make money for months, even years. Most people think passive income takes a ton of work, but that's not true. Here are 3 simple ways to start. Dividend investing, the easiest of all. Buy stocks or ETF that pays dividends. Even if you invest a $10 a week, it grows over time. Your money works for you while you do nothing. Next, the $5,000 per month passive income blueprint. Here is the 3-step formula that will help you reach $5,000 per month in passive income. Step number 1, invest in cash flowing assets. The dividend stocks and ETFs, they typically own stocks that pay you every month. REITs, real estate investment trust, earn property without owning one. The rental properties get paid monthly while your property appreciates. Online businesses, digital products, just sell once and earn forever. Example, if you invest $100,000 into a high yield dividend ETF, paying 6% annually, you're already making $500 per month without lifting a finger. Step number 2, automate and reinvest. Reinvest your earnings. The secret to compounding wealth fast. Always automate your investments. Set it, forget it, and let your money grow. Keep your expenses low. Every dollar saved is another dollar invested. Step number 3, scale to $5,000 per month. Increase your investments every month. Diversify your passive income streams. Be consistent. Wealth takes time, but rewards those who stays in the game. So, how long will it take to reach $5,000 per month in passive income? It all depends on how much you invest and your yield. Here's a simple breakdown. If you invest $50,000 at 10% yield, you will earn $5,000 per year or $416 per month. If you invest $100,000 at 6% yield, you will be getting $500 per month. However, if you invest $500,000 at 12% yield, you would be making $60,000 per year or $5,000 per month, fully replacing your full-time income. The key? Start small and reinvest your earnings to snowball your passive income over time. Which level are you aiming for? Let me know in the comments. Another example. We are going to start with the $50,000 at 10% yield. In 10 years, it grows to $135,000, earning $13,535 per year or $1,127 per month. In 20 years, it grows to $3,053 per month. In 30 years, it becomes nearly $1 million, generating a massive $8,265 per month. The key takeaway, the longer you stay invested, the bigger your passive income. Would you rather invest $50,000 for 10 years or $100,000 for 30 years. Comment below. So, how much work does passive income really take? The biggest lie people believe passive income is too much work. That's not true. The trick is picking the right income streams. Ones that are simple and automated, it just flows in. Low effort, high payout passive income ideas. So investing in ETFs, just 5 minutes to set up and lifetime earnings. Selling an AI generated ebook, just 1 to 2 hours of work and then again lifetime sales. YouTube shorts and automation, a few minutes per video, compounding views forever. So, which one sounds easiest to you? Let me know in the comments. The fastest way to make passive income: stack multiple streams. So here's a 3-step plan to get started today. Step number 1. Start with investing. Put just $10 a week into dividend ETFs. Step number 2. Create a digital product, AI generated ebooks or guides. Step number 3. Post YouTube shorts, easy, free and grows over time. By doing this, you can build a system that makes you money. So, passive income is not a scam and it is not hard. The only mistake, not starting today. Which passive income stream are you going to try first? Comment below and grab my free investing guide through AI. Like, share and subscribe if you found this helpful. Let's build a financial freedom together. Final thoughts? This version keep it real, positive and actionable, showing that passive income is real and does not require crazy effort.